Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Luma Davinci Resolve full guide. Start by adding a node and selecting the Luma keyer in the Fusion or Color page, then set the threshold to pick the bright or dark areas to keep. Soften the falloff and use matte finesse to clean edges for a natural composite. Preview on different clips and tweak the values until the subject blends smoothly into the new background. Open the Luma keyer panel and take a quick tour of the main controls so you know where to start. Begin with threshold to select the brightness range, then adjust falloff to ease harsh transitions and avoid jagged edges. Use invert when you need to key dark areas instead of bright ones, and keep an eye on the matte view to confirm transparency before compositing your background or effects for a cleaner result. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and voice controls to your workspace and makes long edit sessions more pleasant with clear sound and easy voice commands. It's compact and fits any desk, which is handy while you tweak keys and timelines. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Refining the matte turns a rough key into a professional composite, so take your time on these steps. Apply matte blur sparingly to smooth edges, but preserve fine details like hair or motion blur. Use choke to remove fringe by pulling the matte in slightly, and then tweak clean black and clean white to remove speckles and seal transparency. Regularly view the alpha channel to confirm improvements and avoid overprocessing the image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.